Hey guys, this is James from parafix.com. Today we're gonna talk about few pairs. Let's start first of all from the pair euro against the Aussie dollar, the Australian dollar of course. Now as you can see right now, we're looking on an hourly chart, meaning that each candle is 1 hour. Now we didn't mention yesterday, if you remember, that this pair moving in a clear range on an hourly chart, and as you can see it bounced up and down, up and down, up and down, and suddenly it decided to break the support line, and this is exactly what happened. And take a look, this is quite amazing. We didn't mention, if we'll make zoom out just to see what happened few weeks ago, few days ago. Let's make a zoom out just to show you that. Okay, 1 second. You know what, I will go to a daily chart just to show you the clear downtrend, and as you can see, this is a very clear downtrend. You can see that it happened already long time ago, and this is the main reason that we expected to see how that the euro will lose its power against the Australian dollar for the short term. So take a look once again on the hourly chart. It just broke the support line, and this is the main reason that right now we have new support and new resistance, and keep your eyes open on that pair. Now let's move to the next pair. The next cross pair that I wanted to mention is the GBP against the JPY, the pound against the Japanese yen. And as you can see, we already spoke about that pair also a few weeks ago, and we didn't mention that we can see how that pair moving in a daily chart, sort of in a downtrend on the last few days. And this is the main reason that you can see right here, last 3 days we'll be able to see 3 red candles. It's not a clear downtrend, it's still bouncing in a range, but make sure that you're keeping your eyes open on that pair, because that pair basically made of the pound against the dollar and the dollar against the Japanese yen. So in order to understand which one will affect more, all we have to do is to look from the Japanese session and from the pound session, meaning from the London session, and to see what will be the announcement that will affect that pair. The last pair that I would like to talk about, of course, it's the US Canadian, and we didn't mention yesterday that we're seeing right here also a downtrend. Even though today you can see sort of a let's say correction, it's not even a correction yet, but sort of the market going to the opposite way, the overall trend is quite clear. The overall trend looks like that the US is weak, the Canadian is strong, and this is the main reason, of course, that many people few days ago, weeks ago, were selling the US, buying the Canadian dollar. Today, from fundamental point of view, we don't have a big announcement. We have one amazing announcement that will come from the US. Keep your eyes open, make sure that you're making the right decision, use support and resistance always when you're trading, and that way it will be easier for you to understand where the market goes. Have an amazing day. This is James from parafix.com.